Today, let's learn about Microsoft Priva. Imagine a hotel manager who ensures guests' personal details are used only for service, not shared or misused. In Microsoft Security, Microsoft Priva plays that role by helping organizations manage personal data responsibly across Microsoft 365. For example, it alerts users when they handle sensitive information like customer names or health data and guides them to reduce unnecessary exposure. This supports privacy regulations like GDPR and builds trust by promoting respectful data handling. Let's meet in our next lecture.